Yo, 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 I've got an opportunity here. It's 2 o'clock, so we got one more hour until the market closes. The market's in a big sell off right now. It's down 2.2%. But the most important part of this is that I have these ATR, how much it moves per day, and usually it moves, out of 100 times and out of the past however much data I have, the standard deviation is um, the standard deviation. One standard deviation away has a 79% chance of being within these lines right here, this line and this line. It has two standard deviations. There's a 94% chance that it's gonna close within these lines. Okay, within this line. I didn't put the other one over here because we're looking at this low right now. So there's a 94% chance that it's going to close. It's not going to go further than this line. This line right here. It's not going to go further than this line. It's white. White. Oh, this is what we're doing. Okay. It's not going to go further than this line. And it just so happens that it matches up with these lows. See all of these lows? These are days. Days that it reaches this point, this white line, and it goes off of it. Days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days within, a week or two that it literally has bounced off this white line. And now you're telling me that it's going down and it's heading towards this white line. It has a 94% chance that it won't go past this white line. This would be a good zone to take. Right here. This zone right here, it has a 94% chance that it's not going to go past this. So basically, we want to long. Essentially, we want a long. And it's just, it just so happens that it really just so happens. Oh my gosh, dude. Sorry. Alright. It just so happens that there's a 94% chance that it won't go past this line, and it just so happens that, boom, this thing is heading straight towards its 79%. It shouldn't go past this line. There's an 80% chance that it will not go past this gray line. Now I'm going to plot this line so we can erase this stupid the symbol here so you can see that previous wick. Okay? Now we see it. Now it's a little more comfy to see. Okay? So this is a very good buying opportunity. Long term. Well, I guess right now, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There's one more hour of trading. If we can see a crash for this hour, just one more hour of crashing, we need to buy immediately. So if all that matters is if it pops this pivot, this like wick right here. If it goes down past this wick, people are going to be selling, but really people are going to be buying, and it's going to go up. So, and statistics are on our side, man. So let's narrow it down. Let's place a trade, and we're going to see how it goes. It looks fantastic because there's a lot of wicks here showing that this is a good price to buy, and below it is some free space, some free falling room, which is ideal because most buyers will be here because they won't want to wait all the way down here because there's not really a buying opportunity right here. There is someone right here, I know, just because I've already looked at this chart. Definitely something there, but all in all, this is where people are going to be buying. So we're going to look for a trade to go long. And it's 2:10 right now. I guess I'll get back to you when we see an opportunity, because there is none right now. Obviously, it's not down there. Will it beat this? I don't know if it'll beat this because this is an hourly candle. This hour is the most important hour right now because this hour closed at 1500. this is the candle right here, and it's, you know, I'm working on an indicator right now. It's supposed to tell me what percentage done with it is, and it's been 10 minutes out of 60, so 10 out of 6, it's 16% done. So the loading screen on this candle is 16% done. We ain't even halfway. We've got a lot of room to run. It can go up, down, or it can go down, up. So it went down a little bit. It can go up, and it can go down and reach and beat that if it really wants to. Definitely some supply here. We'll probably be wanting to sell right here in that side, in that area. If we can go downwards, that'd be great, but you know, we don't know at this point. There could be some retracement right here, but I don't really want to enter short right now, especially because look at the 60-minute. You know, I mean, this is a classic demand zone. You know, think about it. Like, base, there's an indecision in price, and then price picks its direction, and that's where people got in, and that's where price is now, and it should exit it in a classic way. So this zone is in a possibility to get broken, but if this zone is going to bust, it's probably going to come back into this area and then bust downwards. But timing wise, we're not looking good for the bust downwards. It's 212. It's reached this is, remember, the 80%, so 79% of the time price will not go past this line. 94% of the time price will not go past this line. So there's a good chance that this is the established low for the day, for the entire day, and we can see an hourly candle go upwards. But we will see, and I'll show you in 45 minutes.